What does the concept of data minimization imply in the context of privacy by design? A. Collecting as much data as possible to ensure detailed analytics. B. Limiting data collection to that which is necessary for the specified purpose. C. Storing data indefinitely to maximize its future potential. D. Sharing data freely within the organization. Correct answer B. Limiting data collection to that which is necessary for the specified purpose. Reasoning: data minimization is a key principle in privacy by design, aiming to limit data collection to only what is strictly necessary to fulfill a specified purpose. Which of the following best defines the role of a privacy impact assessment, PIA, in technology projects? A. To ensure that technological developments are financially viable. B. To monitor project timelines and team performance. C. To identify and mitigate privacy risks associated with the project. D. To promote the project to potential investors. Correct answer, C. To identify and mitigate privacy risks associated with the project. Reasoning: a PIA is crucial for assessing and mitigating privacy risks before implementing new technologies or processes. In the context of IT privacy, what does pseudonymization typically involve? A. Deleting all identifying details from data. B. Replacing identifiable information with artificial identifiers. C. Encrypting data using reversible algorithms. D. Storing data in multiple fragmented databases. Correct answer, B. Replacing identifiable information with artificial identifiers. Reasoning: pseudonymization reduces privacy risks by replacing personal identifiers with pseudonyms, making it difficult to identify the data subject without additional information. What is the primary privacy concern with cloud computing services? A. Decreased data processing capabilities. B. Enhanced IT security measures. C. Potential loss of control over personal data. D. Reduced costs of data storage. Correct answer, C. Potential loss of control over personal data. Reasoning: when using cloud services, organizations may face challenges in controlling where their data is stored and how it is processed, leading to privacy concerns. Which framework provides a foundational model for privacy engineering? A. COBIT. B. ISO IEC 27001. C. NIST Privacy Framework. D. ITIL. Correct answer, C. NIST Privacy Framework. Reasoning: the NIST Privacy Framework is designed to help organizations manage privacy risks by building privacy into their systems through engineering practices. What principle is violated if a user cannot access their data to correct errors? A. Data integrity. B. Individual participation. C. Purpose specification. D. Security. Correct answer, B. Individual participation. Reasoning: individual participation ensures that data subjects have the right to access and correct their data, thus maintaining its accuracy and fairness. How does encryption support data privacy? A. By making data processing faster. B. By making data unreadable without authorization. C. By permanently deleting data. D. By sharing data securely with third parties. Correct answer, B. By making data unreadable without authorization. Reasoning: encryption secures data by encoding it so that only authorized parties with the decryption key can access the information, which GDPR principle directly supports the minimization of data collection and storage. A. Accountability. B. Data minimization. C. Integrity and confidentiality. D. Lawfulness, fairness, and transparency. Correct answer, B. Data minimization. Reasoning: the data minimization principle mandates that only necessary data for the explicit purpose should be collected and stored, supporting privacy and efficiency. What is a primary function of the role-based access control, RBAC, in an IT environment? A. To increase the data processing speeds. B. To minimize the IT infrastructure costs. C. To restrict system access to authorized users based on their roles. D. To ensure compliance with international data transfer laws. Correct answer, C. To restrict system access to authorized users based on their roles. Reasoning: RBAC is a method of restricting system access to authorized users based on their roles within the organization, enhancing security and privacy. In the context of privacy laws, what does the right to be forgotten entail? A. The right to have personal data deleted when no longer necessary. B. The right to have personal data shared across borders. C. The right to receive all personal data stored by an organization. D. The right to update personal data in real time. Correct answer A. The right to have personal data deleted when no longer necessary. Reasoning. This right allows individuals to request the deletion of their data when it is no longer necessary for the purpose it was collected, enhancing control over personal information. Which of the following best describes the principle of privacy by default in software development? A. Software should be designed with the highest privacy settings automatically enabled. B. Software should collect as much data as possible to improve functionality. C. Privacy policies should be hidden from the user to simplify the interface. D. Software should require manual privacy settings adjustment by the user. Correct answer. A. Software should be designed with the highest privacy settings automatically enabled. Reasoning. Privacy by default means that the strictest privacy settings automatically apply once a customer acquires a new product or service, without requiring additional action from the user to protect their privacy. What role does anonymization play in data privacy? A. It secures data by creating robust user passwords. B. It reduces privacy risks by removing identifiers that tie data to individuals. C. It enhances data integrity by correcting inaccuracies. D. It increases data availability to authorized users. Correct answer. B. It reduces privacy risks by removing identifiers that tie data to individuals. Reasoning. Anonymization involves processing data to irreversibly prevent identification, protecting personal information against unauthorized access. How does implementing a Data Protection Impact Assessment, DPIA, benefit an organization? A. It provides a detailed financial overview of the data protection practices. B. It assesses the impact of data protection measures on business performance. C. It identifies and minimizes the risks associated with data processing activities. D. It increases the speed of data processing systems. Correct answer. C. It identifies and minimizes the risks associated with data processing activities. Reasoning. DPIAs are essential for identifying and minimizing data protection risks in projects and systems from the design stage throughout the lifecycle. In the context of international data transfers, what is the significance of the EU-US Privacy Shield? A. It ensures that data transfers to the US are subject to strict data protection standards. B. It allows for unlimited data transfers between the EU and US without any safeguards. C. It mandates that all data transferred to the US must be encrypted. D. It requires that data transfers only occur with the consent of each data subject. Correct answer. A. It ensures that data transfers to the US are subject to strict data protection standards. Reasoning. The EU-US Privacy Shield was designed to provide companies on both sides of the Atlantic with a mechanism to comply with data protection requirements when transferring personal data from the European Union to the United States. What is the primary purpose of implementing multi-factor authentication, MFA, in an IT system? A. To ensure system updates are automatically installed. B. To increase data storage capacity. C. To enhance security by requiring multiple forms of verification. D. To reduce the cost of IT management. Correct answer. C. To enhance security by requiring multiple forms of verification. Reasoning. MFA increases security by requiring 2 or more independent credentials, making it more difficult for unauthorized persons to access a user's devices or online accounts. Which principle of the Fair Information Practices, FIPs, primarily deals with ensuring that data subjects can review, update, or delete their data? A. Openness. B. Individual participation. C. Purpose specification. D. Minimization. Correct answer. B. Individual participation. Reasoning. Individual participation allows data subjects to understand how their data is being used and provides them with the means to ensure it is accurate and up to date. Regarding IT security, what does end-to-end encryption, E2E, guarantee in a data transmission? A. Data remains encrypted from one endpoint to another, preventing intermediate access. B. Data is temporarily decrypted at each point of the network to ensure integrity. C. Data is only encrypted at the endpoints while it remains unencrypted during transmission. D. Encryption keys are shared publicly to enhance transparency. Correct answer. A. Data remains encrypted from one endpoint to another, preventing intermediate access. Reasoning: E2E ensures that data is encrypted on the sender's system and only decrypted on the recipient's system, preventing any intermediate nodes from accessing readable data.